planners have diversified their revenue streams, and we've certainly taken a lot of risk, doing a few other things. There does not appear to the research done by Wealth Insights to have been a major leaning towards mortgage broking. And I'm just wondering whether, if that research is accurate, whether that suggests that really what we're talking about here is a very nascent trend, and that it's really yet to get some momentum. So can I kick off by asking Lisa whether she believes it's really at the early days yet for financial planners moving into the mortgage broking space and vice versa?
Yeah, I think the word nascent in terms of the migratory path from planning to broker may be nascent, but I don't think it's something that's going to be to extinguish. I think that it will develop over time. But certainly the migration from broking into planning is quite active and growing. And I can, I think there's a lot of external environmental facts as to why that's happening and the structural underpinnings that will support that further migration. But I can speak most particularly about our own book, because we have a financial planning channel and a broking channel. And when I pull out those that have the accreditations independently and dually, it's a significant shift to have dual accreditation. And those books that have got dual accreditation have significantly more growth than the control set, than the standalone. As to the structural reasons why, brokers now, because of the NCCCP, the credit legislation, are doing fact finders that are similar to what the planning industry do. So it provides them with a lot of information and opportunity to provide a more holistic service to their borrowers, who, I might add, come to them in the early part of their financial life cycle. So generally people tend to borrow before they invest or even protect. So significantly stronger flow from broker to planner, on my perception, but I think with what's happening legislatively in planners, they'll be looking more and more that those ripples will continue beyond the risk, will continue to diversify and potentially into mortgage broking as well.